Find, if possible, the rational zeros of f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared plus 6x minus 4. To find the rational zeros, we're going to use our rational zeros test or rational zeros theorem. That says that we'll take the factors of our constant term, which is 4. So the factors of 4 are positive or negative 1, positive or negative 2, and positive or negative 4. Those are the numbers that go evenly into 4. And we divide by the factors of the leading coefficient. Okay, the factors of 1 are just positive or negative 1. So taking each of these numbers in the numerator and dividing by positive or negative 1, we just get the list of positive or negative 1, positive or negative 2, positive or negative 4. And this happens anytime our leading coefficient is 1. Our list of possible rational zeros is simply the list of factors of the constant term. So now we need to start checking which of these are zeros of this polynomial. So let's start with 1. And we're going to do synthetic division. We list out our coefficients, 1, 2, 6, and negative 4. So we go through our synthetic division, bring the 1 down, multiply by 1, add, multiply, and add. And we are looking for a 0 at the end here. Okay, we didn't get a 0, which means that 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial. So now we move on. Let's try negative 1. Bring the 1 down, multiply, add, and add. Okay, we didn't get 0, so negative 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Let's try positive 2 now. Bring the 1 down, multiply, add, and add. And we did not get 0, so 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Let's go to negative 2. Bring the 1 down, multiply, add. We didn't get 0, so negative 2 is not a 0. Okay, let's move on to positive 4. Bring the 1 down, multiply, add, and add. Okay, we've gotten a huge number here, so we're getting kind of crazy here. 4 is not a 0, though. We didn't get a 0 there. We only got one thing left to try. We've got a negative 4 to try. Bring the 1 down, multiply, add, and add. We did not get a 0 there. Okay, so what we've just found is that none of these numbers work as zeros. What this means is that those are the only possible rational zeros. So this means that f has no rational zeros.